Make a great choice today with the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, trailering package, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.